Hey guys, my name is Shivashankar Kamath. Welcome to Isha Vasya Divya Siddhi Academy. In this video, you will learn how to enable recording option in PowerPoint presentation documents. Also, you will learn in detail how to use this feature to create videos using PPT documents recordings. Stay tuned till the end of this video to learn more about it. As you know, Microsoft PowerPoint is the great tool and it has many great features to explore. One of them is recording feature, but by default it's not enabled. So first let's see how to enable it, and then let's understand how to use the different options in this recording feature. First, you open PPT document, go to File and then click on More, then click on Options. When you click on Options, you get PowerPoint Options dialog box popped up. In this dialog box, click on Customize ribbon. Under Customize ribbon, click on Recording option and then click on OK button. Now you can see recording option enabled on top menu bar. Click on Recording. You have two options here: Record from current slide, Record from beginning. If you choose Record from current slide, it will set the current slide for recording. If you choose Record from beginning, it will set the first slide for recording. Now click on Record from current slide option. Now on the left hand side, you have these options: Record, Stop and Play options. You can start recording by clicking on Record button. While recording, you can pause the record by clicking on Pause button. You can stop recording by clicking on Stop button. You can play the recording by clicking on Play button. You have Notes option to refer to the notes while recording. The notes font can be increased or decreased. You can clear the recordings by clicking on Clear recording from current slide. And similarly, to clear recording on all slides, you can click on Clear recording on all slides. This is Previous button to go to previous slide. Similarly, Next button to go to the next slide. At the bottom, the pen, highlighter and eraser are provided along with the multiple color options. This is really great feature. You can also use shortcut keys to invoke certain options in recording window. For example, to start recording, you can just press R in your keyboard. Also, microphone and video options are provided at the bottom right. You can use them based on your requirements. You can record your voice along with your video if you want. On the top right, you can select the microphone and video camera options based on the list of options you have in your system connections. Once the recording is done, you can close it by clicking on Close button on the top right. You can click on Screenshot to quickly add some snapshots of any window that's open in your desktop. If you have already screen recorded file, then you can insert it here by clicking on Screen Recording. Similarly, you can insert any video that you want to insert by clicking on Video. Similarly, you can click on Audio to insert audio file in your PPT document. You can click on Save as Show file to save this document as slideshow document. You can export this PPT along with recordings as video file. You can click on Export to Video option in this window. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching our videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Wishing you all the best.